Hey mama, welcome to Bottle Feeding 101, tips and tricks for new parents. As a new parent, you may feel overwhelmed with the many feeding options available for your baby. We are here to guide you through the process and provide you with helpful tips that will make bottle feeding a breeze. Tip number 1. Choosing the right bottle and nipple. It is essential to choose the right bottle and nipple for your baby. Consider your baby's age, feeding habits, and preferences when selecting a bottle. There are different types of bottles available, including plastic and glass, and nipples with different flow rates. Be sure to choose a bottle and nipple that are appropriate for your baby's age and feeding needs. Tip number 2. Preparing the formula. When preparing the formula, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Use the correct ratio of formula to mix and mix thoroughly. Always wash your hands before preparing the formula and use clean bottles and utensils. Additionally, make sure to discard any unused formula after feeding. Tip number 3. Feeding position. The feeding position is essential for both you and your baby's comfort during feeding. Hold your baby in an upright position with their head supported and slightly tilted back. Ensure that the nipple is filled with milk to avoid your baby swallowing air. Burp your baby regularly during feeding to release any trapped air. Tip number 4. Creating a feeding schedule. Creating a feeding schedule will help you keep track of your baby's feeding times and amounts. Newborns typically need to feed every 2 to 3 hours, while older babies may feed less frequently. Remember, every baby is different, so it is important to be flexible with your feeding schedule. Tip number 5. Sterilizing bottles and nipples. Sterilizing bottles and nipples is crucial to prevent bacteria from growing and causing infections. Boil the bottles and nipple for at least 5 minutes or use a sterilizing machine. After sterilizing, store the bottles and nipples in a clean and dry place until ready for use. Bottle feeding can be a wonderful bonding experience between you and your baby. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to ensure that your baby is receiving proper nutrition and care during bottle feeding. We hope this video has been helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't ever forget, you know how to mom.